Hello, this is Antigone, your high-level ninja, showing you how to use a CRM or customer relationship management platform such as Go High Level. An easy way to understand pipelines and opportunities, because this is marketing speak, and I don't know about you, but when I first heard these, I'm like, what? As a computer person, I'd never heard such language. So hopefully this helps you as much as it helped me when I first started. In essence, the opportunity is a contact who's in the pipeline. In other words, the contact is the person, and an opportunity is that person's journey through the awareness to purchase to delivery process with your organization. The pipeline is the map of that journey. So another way is the contact is the who, the opportunity is the story, and the pipeline is the path of the story. That's why we say opportunities are contacts in motion through the customer journey. Hope this helps you.